Welcome to Eagle Complete Course. After we learned about Gerber file in the previous video, now we're going to talk about drill file. Drill files are also known as numeric control drill file is a file that regulates all the information relating to via or hole drilling requirements. This file includes hole location and size and tooling size. Drill file is as important as the CPL file, so the manufacturer knows the exact position of the vias or holes in our PCB design. Remember when we made the Gerber file in the previous video? The step is almost the same actually. So, click the CAM processor button here. CAM processor will automatically detect how many layers your PCB design is, and loaded a template depend on how many layers you use. For example, since I use 2 layers, it will automatically create a template for 2 layers PCB. For the drill file, we can click the drill drop-down here. Now, right-click on the drill and select the Generate Excellent Adjust based on PCB stack up. It will create the additional stack up that you need. Moreover, if you use more than 2 layers. Now, we can see it generate the holes and vias position in our PCB design. I'm going to select the export as zip here and then process job. Then save the zip file in this folder. Now, you can go to the folder and unzip the file. Inside this file, there are 3 manufacturing files we generate from the CAM processor: the assembly, drill files, and Gerber file we learned previously. If we take a look at the drill file folder, you can see there are 2 excellent files which indicates the position and the size of the holes or via in the PCB design. We can inspect the drill file on PCBWay web like we did in the previous video using Gerber file. We're going to move to browser and search PCBWay online Gerber viewer. So, we will drag and drop our zip file in the box they provide. Then we can inspect our project here. You can notice if any holes or via is not correct, so you can edit your design in the board editor in Eagle. Then generate the drill file and Gerber file again.